welcome along again. Today now we're going to be installing some chrome onto the dash of the customer's 1800. What we're going to be installing will be the bear claw mirrors, accents, speaker accents, we've got the clock accents, radio and a fuel door accent. So without further ado, we'll go off to the bike and stick them on. So let's start installing our little chrome pieces. First thing do, make sure you clean all the surfaces. Okay, we'll start with the petrol tank. Let's make sure we get all the plastic off. Now, remove the backing. Now I use a hot air gun to heat it up. Heating it up first activates the glue bit. You can use a hair dryer or anything like that, but I just use the hot air gun. Not too much is needed. And make sure you don't put the gun anywhere near the plastics of the bike. It'll melt it very fast when it's hot. And hold in place. Okay. Next we'll have the radio accent. Oops, upside down. So the buttons aren't getting caught on it. Okay. Then we'll have our dash. Next we'll put on the bear claws. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. Now we'll put on the second one. Next we'll go for the front speakers. Make sure you keep them pressed. If you hear a pop when you let it go, just push them back in. So now that's the fuel door accent, radio accent, clock accent, 2 front speaker accents now installed on the bike, and it does brighten the bike up nicely. That's the dash now all sparkled up. I hope now that you've had some use out of it, and you'll join us again on the next video. So it's goodbye from Paul, and I'll talk to you next time. Okay, now we'll install the light grills onto the upper and lower lights. Now first thing we do is give them a cleaning. And same on the other side. Only have to clean around the edges where you're getting your sticky parts sticking on top. At least these are easy to take off. I'm going to spend half an hour picking at them. Don't make speak too soon. There we go. And just keep them firmly pressed for maybe 30 seconds or so. Make sure you can't see any light coming through them. And we're nicely stuck. So do this very slowly and try to make sure you line it up properly. Now we'll do the left side. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. Again, move them very slowly. Make sure you stay away from the saddlebag. Don't want them getting caught. Right, and now we have the trunk one. There we go. Yep. There we are. All installed. So hopefully this video wasn't too short for you. And we've now put on the chrome grills, and they do add a bit of sparkle to the back of the bike. So hope you join us on the next video. It's goodbye from Paul. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. So in the box we have our grills. A couple of sticky tabs. And second grill. That's everything. So follow me over to bike now and we'll stick them on. What we're going to do now is install the shark fins. Now I use these cable ties. They don't not included in the box, but it'll help you to get them in that bit better and hold them in there while the glue is setting. Now we've got 2 strips of sticky pad. Now what I would do is, now scissors will be handier, but I don't have one here. So if you cut off little strips of it and put them at different points. Whereas if you use the whole strip in the middle, well, in the middle will stick, but you could have the 2 sides of it not sticking properly. Let me get this one in half. Let me put that into the middle, top and bottom. Now we've one more piece, might as well use it. The downside of cutting up all the little pieces is you've got so many pieces to strip off. Make sure we get the right way around. One cable tie at the top, one at the bottom, or the end, whichever way you want to look at it, and one in the middle. Why the cable ties are handy is because with the sticky pads, you have to kind of force them in a small bit. So this enables us to get in. And do nice and tight. Just make sure you don't damage the fins where the cable tie is going. Make sure they're good strong cable ties. And we leave that sitting out for a few minutes, and then we'll cut them off and Bob's your uncle. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. So we just cut off cable ties. Be careful not to damage the grill. And there you are, all ready for road. Okay, that's them installed, and as I said previously, it brightens up the grill area of the bike quite nicely. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and it's goodbye from Paul. With